The reason we get this is actually because of something called reinforcement learning from human feedback. When we create a model initially, we put all the data that we have available into the model. This is the internet, plus collections of books and whatever information they can get their hands on, but primarily it's the internet. The internet is a bit of a mess. There is a huge amount of hatred. There is a huge amount of racism. There is pornographic material. There is a lot of problematic information on the internet. So we go through stages during the pre-training of filtering it out, getting rid of the worst things, and then trying to clean up that data source. So even at this stage, we are putting forward a moral judgment. We're saying this stuff's bad, this stuff is good. For some things, most humans would agree. For others, it becomes a debate. Should we be allowing those people to have freedom of speech and to allow their hateful opinions into our model? This is the first stage during the pre-training. After this, we do something called RLHF, which is reinforcement learning from human feedback. Basically, we've got this model, which is, we've tried to clean it up. We've tried to give it the best of the internet based on somebody's idea of what best is. But then we take it a step further and have humans grade the answers. Humans will sit with the artificial intelligence, GPT-5, which is probably coming out in the next month or two. And then they will give feedback on what answers are suitable, what answers are off the guardrails, what answers should be allowed into the model and which ones should not. So we have 3 levels: pre-train the model, an untamed monster, because it's trained on indiscriminate data scraped from the internet. So clickbait, misinformation, propaganda, conspiracy theories, attacks against certain demographics, racism. And then we fine tune it with higher quality data. So things like Stack Overflow, Quora, or human annotations. So actually notated data that gives further context. And then we fine tune that model using RLHF, reinforcement learning through human feedback, to make it appropriate for the people who are using it on a daily basis. And it won't allow us to make ricin or how to make pipe bombs or tell us that it is Mecha Hitler, for example. We have these stages in place to make it a lot more palatable for the general human population.